Hey everybody, I'm Dr. Martins. I'm the English teacher here at Carnahan.
And I am Dr. Davis, the computer science and Microsoft certification teacher here at Carnahan.
We want to show you how to log onto your computer and how to access Teams. Because Teams is where it's at. Everything, all your teachers, all your assignments, the calendar, that's where you can find everything you need.
Including videos.
I'm going to switch over. I'm going to show you a few parts here just of what it looks like when you get on to your computer. So when you get on, oh, I'm on the wrong screen here. This is what it's going to look like. You're going to see, I think it'll be like this shot for everybody. Some people get lost right here. You got to click on this screen in order to get where you want.
Right. And at this point, you will click on OK.
Yep. Oh, I'm sorry. Click on OK. Brings you to the login page. Login page, you were given, when you bought your computer, some login information with a username and a password. Now, here's the part that can get a little bit confusing. When you log on this page, you're not going to do the @SLPS part.
Correct. If you get confused about your username and password, you want to see Mr. Bierman. If you know your username and password, you will log on as such. So for example, if your last name has more than 7 letters, you would log on with B. Friendall 0764.
4 numbers associated with you. But if it's less than 4, like Dr. Davis,
you would say W. Davis and my last 4 social.
So that's it. And the password that you were given.
Yes.
Okay. So now you've logged onto the computer. What we want you to do is open up Chrome. You might have Teams automatically load. Some of it does that on the new laptops. Sometimes they don't. This is the foolproof method.
Right.
Open up Google Chrome.
And you want to type in
Office.com. Now, when you go to this part and you go to sign in, it's going to be the exact same information that you already used, except you're going to add the @slps.org part. That part's crucial because it actually is going to take you to the district login.
Exactly.
And
here's where you need to type in your password that was provided to you by the district.
Username and password all over again. It's the exact same thing. You've now used it 3 times. Hopefully yours will work a little faster than this.
Right. And if it doesn't, be patient. We have to have patience. You got to remember, there's a lot of bandwidth going on. Okay. At this point, you want to click on the icon that says Teams.
Right over here, Teams.
Teams.
It's going to give you an option. Get the Windows app or use the web app. I really recommend that people just use the web app. Am I wrong on that?
I totally agree.
Okay. So now you're looking at this page. Now I've got a lot of teams here. Most of you will just have one for your grade level and one for every one of your classes. But I want to show you a couple of places that you're going to go to that'll help you access your information all in one place. The first one is you got a tab over here called Calendar. Any Zoom meetings or Teams meetings, this is live where you have to log in and you'll see your teacher and you'll see your classmates. Those things will be in this calendar.
And also on this calendar could possibly be virtual field trips, virtual guest speakers.
So the events happen right here. And if you click on this, it'll be on here for every one of your classes, all blended into one place.
So get in the habit, each time you sign in and you get into Teams, to click on that
Check that calendar first. That's the beginning of your day, is the calendar. Here's the other part. Assignments. When you click on assignments, you'll see a list of every class that you have an assignment in. This doesn't necessarily mean that they're late. It doesn't mean that you're missing it. It doesn't even mean that there's an assignment that you haven't done. It just means that's a team you belong to and they have assignments.
Right. These are the classes that you are enrolled in, and you should see these classes on your class roster. Class schedule.
Yeah. And then I can go look at a nice little list of all the assignments, and you can see which ones have been turned in or not. It's a little different here because I'm looking at it as a teacher and not a student, but that's the way that works. So let's show you how you can access each team individually.
Click on Teams. Now, say you have Mr. Martin, Dr. Martin, AP period 6 class.
But wait, you know what I want to go to?
What do you want to
Dowling
go to?
sample team, because I'm the student.
Okay, let's go to Dowling sample team. We're gonna back up a little bit here.
This is good because I'm the student here.
Okay. So you are trying to find your class assignment in Miss Dowling's class. So what you would do is you would go to the center of the page, go to the top, and you would click on the hyperlink that says assignments. Once you click on the assignments,
I haven't turned anything into Miss Dowling. They've been highlighted in red here. They're late. So that's the way that that works. And then you can individually select one.
right, you would see where it says, you would see the teacher, the due date, which is August the 23rd. He didn't turn it in, and we would normally have the points up there.
I'm going to click on add work here just really quick. I don't think I'm going to wait because it takes a little bit of time. But let's
Okay.
just see if I can attach something that doesn't even make any sense here.
So he's attaching his assignment.
All the files that you've created can come up that way. So
Mhm.
whatever you've done anywhere, it'll be there. Sometimes those assignments, when you open them up, they'll have a template you can fill out. It changes a little bit,
Mhm.
but default, you can always go find your files there.
Then you click on turn in late,
All right.
and now,
It's going to celebrate me with an ice cream
yes,
cone.
with an ice cream cone. Love ice cream.
What do we want to show them? Grades?
Let's do the grades. Here you can see, when you click on grades, the hyperlink grades, you can see the grades that you have earned for that particular assignment. Now, if the grade is not out there,
Yeah, then it's going to say no points. It says viewed. You're going to get a status. Just because you've turned it in doesn't mean it's going to be graded yet, right? But you can look basically at everything right now. Do we have to tell them anything else, or is that about it?
I think we could just maybe share one more thing. Up there at the top to the right of grades where it says 2 more. If you were to click on that, here's where you can find videos. You can see videos and maybe titled videos. But just wanted to throw that out. You may see some videos, some PowerPoints could be up there. So, you know.
If
click
your
on
teacher has added extra stuff, it's going to be in this more section. Right, very good. Okay.
The class notebook.
Oh. I forget about the notebook. I'm not using it. I don't
Okay.
know what other people are using, but there is a place here that teachers might use that's sort of a continuous set of notes for their class.
Exactly. And I think we've summed it up.
That's it. Thank you.
So welcome back. Welcome back. We just wanted to share a little bit how to sign into Teams. First, how to sign on the computer.
Yeah, and then how to sign into Teams.
Mhm.
Good luck. Any questions?
Good luck.
Email Berman.